It doesn't take much to have a fatal event, a terrible outcome.
Doctors at Children's Hospital Colorado are seeing firsthand how dangerous a small amount of fentanyl can be.
Certainly the past couple of years, we have been seeing more of our population, unfortunately, getting into fentanyl, and that includes both the young toddler population, but also the adolescent population. So
Dr. Sam Wong is a medical toxicology physician. At the emergency department, he's seeing toddlers who get a hold of their parents' pills or high schoolers experimenting with drugs.
Recreationally using drugs nowadays, unfortunately, is a totally different story than 10, 20 years ago.
Very few kids died from this just a few years ago. In 2019, the state's health department says 4 people under 18 years old died of a fentanyl overdose. In 2021, it jumped to 24. And so far this year, at least 20 kids have died. But that number could be higher because of a lag in data.
The messaging doesn't change. I think fentanyl has been the game changer the past couple of years. The CDC reported over 100,000 overdose deaths, and fentanyl represents the majority of those overdose deaths.
Children's Hospital hands out Narcan to patients and families in case an overdose happens again. Doctors also try to connect young people to clinics to get help. But Dr. Wong says resources in Colorado and nationwide for this population are limited.
Fentanyl is a big problem, and we need to figure out ways to decrease its availability and use within all our populations.
Fentanyl is so common in the drug market, we're now seeing several parents face charges after the death of a child. In September, a grand jury indicted parents in Brighton for murder after their 1-year-old daughter died from a fentanyl poisoning. And up in Weld County last week, the DA charged a mother in Greeley. Police say her 12-year-old daughter took one of her fentanyl pills and died. Kyle.
And not unheard of for parents using drugs to end up in bad situations with their kids. But again, just shows the potency of fentanyl. One pill left in the wrong place, kid finds it.
Yes, and that is what is making doctors so incredibly concerned and nervous. It's just the potency of this drug. So when kids get a hold of it, even more dangerous consequences.
All right, Kelly, thank you.